Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and refreshing horchata de mango. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by soaking our rice. Here I already have my 1.5 cups of rice nice and rinsed. We're just going to transfer it to our measuring cup. Along with that, we're going to add 1 long cinnamon stick. Make sure to crush it. And we're just going to cover it with 4 cups of boiling hot water. Now we're just going to cover it and allow it to soak overnight or for at least 4 hours. Okay, and once the rice is ready, this is what it should look like. So now we can get ready to make our horchata. Okay, so now we're going to transfer our rice mixture into our blender cup. Make sure you add it all. And this is optional, but I like to add 2 teaspoons of mango concentrate. And now we're just going to be blending for about 2 minutes until everything is nice and smooth. Okay, and once done, we can transfer it to our jar. And just make sure to strain it using a cheesecloth. So like that, your horchata is not grainy. Okay, so now returning back to our blender, we're going to be adding our ripe mangoes, our sweetened condensed milk, and as always, depending on how sweet you want your horchata, it depends on how much you're going to add. I like to use the whole can. Along with that, 1 can of evaporated milk, our Mexican vanilla blend, and we're going to be blending with 4 cups of milk, or you can use water. I like my horchata to be creamy, so that's why I like to use milk. And now we're going to be blending until smooth. Okay, and once we have it, we can transfer it to our pitcher. Okay, now here we're going to finish it with our cold water. Give it a good mix. Okay, now here you can taste it and adjust it if needed. But just like that, we can now get ready to serve. Okay, so now just garnish with some fresh mangoes. And just like that, cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super refreshing, so delicious, and it's perfect for this time of year. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious horchata de mango. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recook this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.